next video is going to be to help you open up whatever of your gifts is ready to open. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to get a little bit of a pinhole open to something that's presently feeling challenged. And what we're going to do is we're going to blow that pinhole open a little bit more so that you're open to more receiving, more information, more clarity, remove some of the fog that's in there. This is for any gift that you presently have, and for those whose gifts haven't manifested themselves, this is going to start opening up the door and start the energetic process for things to happen. Remember, in a spiritual way, things happen in small steps. So if you can, put some comments in on how this made you feel after you listen to it. Listen to it as many times as you feel guided. And on to the light language. Shisha pa uruju no 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 pa uruju no 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 pa uruju wo pa uruju no 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 wo pa uruju shisha pa 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 uruju no 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 wo bo uruju shisha pa uruju no 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 wo pa uruju shisha pa 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 wo uruju shisha pa uruju no 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 pa wo bo uruju shisha pa wo bo uruju shisha wo bo uruju shisha wo pa uruju no 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 wo pa wo sha uruju wo你叫我不是我不是小泡泡我是小我不是小泡泡泡泡我不是吧我是小泡不是我不是小泡我是吧我是吧我是小泡泡泡泡泡泡泡泡泡泡泡我是小泡不是 no 不是小泡泡泡泡泡泡泡泡泡我是小泡我是小泡我是小不是小泡泡泡我泡我是那里的我是我把我是把我是我把我是我把我把我是小泡我不是小泡我是我是小泡我是 no 把我是把我是小我把我是我把我是小我把我是小我把我是我你把我是小啪啪啪啪啪啪我是把我把我是小我是小我把小我不是我下我不是把我不是我是小我把我是我把我不是我把我小我把我是小把我是我手是把我手把我是手是把我是我下午是把我小是我下午是我把我是下午把我把我是把我把我下他你让我把我手把我是把我把我你让我保护我是不是不我小我把我是把我是你把我不是不下火不是把我把我是把我是小火是我把我是把我是把我小我把我是把我是下火把我把我是 ba wa ba o hu ba o ba o hu ba wa wa hu xiao ba wa wa hu ba hu xiao ba wa wa ba o xi xia ba wa ba wa hu ba wa ba o ba wa wo xi xia ba ba wa wo bo hu xia ba ba o ni di ba wo ba wa ba xi xia wo ba 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 wo xia ba o nu 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 ba wa wo xi wo za ba wo ba o xi xi ba wo hu xi wo ba wo hu xi xia ba ba wo hu ba o xi ba wa hu ba hu xi xia wo hu xi xia ba wo xi xia ba wo xi xia ba wo xia wo xia wo xi xia ba 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 wo ba wo xi xia wo ba wo xia wo ba hu xi xi ba wo ba wo ba hu xi xi ba wo ba wo你叫我保我呼吸下保我保我保护一下我护住我保护一下小护士我保护一下我保护一把保护一把你保我保护一下我保我把我呼吸一下，把我呼吸一下，把我呼吸把我吸下我，把我呼吸把我呼吸是把我下我吸下把我呼吸下把我呼吸我把我呼吸我是小保护熊把我呼吸是把我呼吸我。I'd like to thank everybody for subscribing and watching these channels and healings. If you feel guided to, maybe consider making a donation. They help me keep this channel running and making these healings available to people who most likely can't afford to go to a coach and spend $100 or $200 per session. So if you can make a donation, the links are in the title page as well as in the description, and hope you all have a great holiday season. Thank you.